Hello, and welcome back to another Techtorial on Zoom. Today's video is all about breakout rooms. Breakout rooms allow you to split your Zoom meeting up to 50 separate sessions. The host can switch between sessions at any time. Some people may not have access to the breakout rooms feature. You can enable this by going to Zoom's website and then signing into your account. Then, click Settings over here. Make sure you are in the meeting section here. Then, you can simply find breakout rooms and then enable it. Note that if you can't enable it, you'll have to ask your organization's admin to enable it for you. After enabling this feature, when you're in a Zoom meeting, there will be the breakout room icon here. When clicked, this window will appear. Here, you are able to select how many breakout rooms you want to create. Note that the maximum amount of breakout rooms is 50. You are also able to select how to assign participants into the breakout rooms. Let Zoom randomly assign the participants. Let the host and co-host assign the participants, or let participants choose the breakout rooms themselves. Zoom also has the ability to calculate how many participants will be in each breakout room. After creating the breakout rooms, the list of breakout rooms will appear here. When you hover over a breakout room, there will be an option which allows you to rename or delete the breakout room. You are also able to assign specific participants to the breakout rooms by clicking here and selecting the participants. This feature still works even if you let Zoom assign randomly. A drop-down is also available, and when clicked, it shows the assigned participants in the room. On the bottom here, you are able to see this Recreate button. This allows you to change the amount of breakout rooms or how you will assign your participants. If you can see, there is a bar highlighted blue which has the phrase "Open all rooms" written on it. If you click this icon, you're able to see if participants have joined the breakout rooms or not. You can move the participants to other breakout rooms by hovering above their name and then clicking Move To. You then are able to select where you want to move the participants to. You're also able to join a breakout room by clicking on Join. Lastly, you are able to broadcast a message to all the breakout rooms or close all the breakout rooms. The word Options highlighted blue can also be seen on the bottom of this window here. When clicked, these options will appear. You're able to allow participants to choose their room, return to the main room at any time, or automatically move all assigned participants to the breakout rooms. You're also able to automatically close a breakout room after a time interval, which you can set yourself or set a countdown timer in between. If you are a participant in a Zoom meeting and the host has opened a breakout room, you will instantly get a pop-up to enter the breakout room. When you want to leave the breakout room, you can click Leave Breakout Room instead of Leave Meeting, as this will just mean you exit the entire Zoom meeting. If you accidentally leave your breakout room, you can simply click Breakout Room to re-enter. Thank you for watching. Hope you learn new features from this tutorial. Stay tuned for next tutorial about Zoom and leave a like, subscribe, and turn on the notif bell. See you next time.